Hey everyone, Louis Palacios here with the Cobra Real Estate team. A lot of people think that buying a home is a frustrating and stressful experience. We disagree. Buying a house can be exciting and fun if you're with the right people. To prove our point, we'd like to invite you to our home buyer open house crawl. That's right, we'll be rolling from property to property on a private bus. You'll get to see up and coming neighborhoods where we are currently helping other buyers find great homes to buy. You'll get a first-hand look at how companies like Google, SpaceX, Snapchat, and the NFL are making major investments in our community. You'll get to walk through a range of homes, some may be fixer-uppers, others move-in ready. All will provide you with valuable information about finding your perfect home. You'll also learn about special financing options, including down payment assistance programs. At the end, we'll be hosting a reception to answer any questions, including how to fix your credit. We have limited space, so click the registration link today to get the details and to sign up for the crawl. Hope to see you on the bus.